Hi, Kaliti here, and today we're back with another video, and this video I'm going to be reviewing my brand new Samsung Go mic. So as I'm using this mic on the review, so this is going to be an audio test of this mic as well. So I'm gonna be reviewing this mic so you can get the idea on how it looks and how it feels. Since yesterday I was just doing an unboxing, so I was just stating the obvious, so I'm gonna get a little bit detailed to it. So yeah, honestly I'm quite surprised on how clean the sound actually is. I mean, it's a budget microphone, but the quality, man, it's no joke, I swear. The physical and the audio quality is amazing despite its low price. So from the structure itself, this mic is built with metal. It's heavier than it looks, it feels sturdy, and it's very obvious that this mic is built to last. Even the clip, the clamp black thing right here, I thought it was made with plastic, but it's also metal. It's damp. So you can use this clip to attach the mic onto your screen, for example, or you can use it as a stand on your table. And you can also put this mic with this clip onto your laptop screen, but I do not totally recommend because... And yeah, welcome back to another episode of ASMR with I Got It. That sounds relaxing, right? Yeah, that's pretty clear. Also, it has three polar patterns, aka modes, which are cardio width, -10, and omnidirectional. So the first is cardio width, which is basically what you're hearing now, is the mode where it catches only what's in front of the mic. And the -10 is basically just like cardio width, but it increases the frequency by 10 Hz. The omnidirectional is probably for environmental recording, so it catches pretty much everything surrounds the mic itself. So this is how it sounds in cardio width pattern. Blah blah blah, yada yada yada. This is -10 mode, which a bit quieter than the cardio width. And this is omnidirectional mode. It catches more sounds and it's so noisy, and I do not recommend this in your room at all. And it also comes with an indicator in front of the mic itself, and it will blink to red whenever the audio peaks. For example. So that's it for the review of the Samsung Go mic. However, it also has some flaws, like sometimes it catches more sound than it's supposed to, but it's fine. You can use Audacity's noise reduction like those YouTubers, you know. But seriously, I'm so shocked by the fact that you don't need to spend too much money to get one of the best mics there is. And yeah, this is one of the best mic there is, and it's not even expensive. So if you're a newbie YouTuber, a college student, you know, with those limited budget and looking for a good mic for money, definitely go get this. I totally recommend this. It's on par with those YouTube mics like Blue Yeti, Samsung, Meteor, you know, those are competitors, but it's not as expensive. So that's pretty much it for the video itself. So if you think this review helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below, it's free, and don't forget to leave a comment down below as well for some feedback, suggestions, and questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and awesomeness. So yeah, my name is Kaliti. Thank you so much for watching, and
can't you see what love and romance have done to me? I'm not the same. Can't you see what love and romance have done to me?